Hey everyone, Logie1992 here, and today I'm going to be opening this Magic the Gathering Duels of the Planeswalkers 2013. It's the Xbox Live 6-card booster pack. Only 6 cards, so it's not that big, but I haven't seen any openings of the Xbox version, so I thought I'd go ahead and do one. I just got this, just got home from picking it up. So let's get to it. There we go. So right off the bat we got our alternate art, Primordial Hydra. There's what it says down there. Pretty cool. Next we have a Vastwood Gorger. Not bad. Next, Rancor. Is that like Star Wars? Or is that like not specifically Star Wars? I don't know. Captain's Call. Vetical? I have no idea how to pronounce that. Some kind of entrancer, obviously. I don't use blue cards, and this one looks pretty new. I'm not sure. Murder. Pretty. It's not bad. An instant. It's pretty cool. And then a little promo card here, like a. Yeah, check out Friday Night Magic. So, not bad for 6 cards here. The main one I wanted was this Primordial Hydra, and that's what I got. So, pretty cool.